Good evening, everyone. Wow, there are a lot of people out here. Welcome to the 26th Annual VSO Concert in Deer Lake Park. My name is Geraldine Parent, Arts Services Manager, and I want to extend a special thanks to the VSO organization, the staff, musicians for their great work, their continued friendship and commitment to this event. It's obvious, given how many people are here tonight, that it is a really important event in our community, so thank you for coming. Given the heat, as I'm sure everyone's enjoying out there, you can imagine what it's like in the back of this tent here. Think about that for a minute, and what they have all on, their suits and things. We are going to make a slight program adjustment to the concert. So once the VSO starts, they are going to continuously play for about 90 minutes. So there won't be an intermission today, so that we can move things along and all enjoy the rest of the evening. So I hope you'll be understanding about this change. Each year, a young up-and-coming musician also performs with the VSO. They're selected by the VSO, and tonight we have the very special pleasure of hearing a young violinist, 17-year-old Lucy Wang, who will be performing part of the Tchaikovsky piece about midway through the program. Pardon me. If you're interested in attending another great event here in Deer Lake Park, you might want to consider the Burnaby Blues and Roots Festival on August 9th. Tickets are available on the website, www.burnabybluesfestival.com, or tonight we have the box office open in the Chabot Center for you to purchase tickets. Thanks very much to our media sponsor, the news leader, the VSO, and to all of you for coming. Without further ado, please join me in welcoming Gordon Gerard, concertmaster for this evening.